Hi guys, it's Miss Hall again and it's writing time. So we're going to talk about the strategy retell. How to retell a story. How do you retell a story? Well, I'm going to give you some strategies on how to retell a story. So far, you know how to use who, what, where, when, why, and how. You know how to use first, next, then, and last. So let's look at some other strategies that you could use in your writing for retelling. So it means when you read a story, tell who the characters are about. Who the characters using their names. Tom, Sue, Santos, Anna. Okay, use their names to tell if it was a dog, Sam. Okay, so you use the names to tell who the people are in the story, or people meaning characters. Okay, then another thing you do when you retell a story, you tell where the story takes place. When you retell, you're telling me what happened in the story. Well, Miss Hall, Susie and Tom went to the park and they played. So you're telling me where they were. They were at the park. That's very important to know where the story took place. And you already know that because we've been talking about the who, the 5 W's, plus how. That's a strategy. Retelling a story. Now another thing that we need to do is tell what happens at the beginning, the middle, and the end of a story. What happened at the beginning of the story? When you read the story, you tell me what happened at the beginning. Then you tell me what happened in the middle of the story. Do you tell me the entire story? No. You retell it using the beginning, the middle, and the end strategy. You tell me what happened last. Well, last what happened? First, next, then last. Last what happened? They all went home. So that's another thing. You don't retell the entire story, but you can tell what happened at the beginning, 2 sentences about what happened at the beginning, and your own idea. How would you write about that? What happened in the middle, and what happened at the end. And then you use keywords. You always don't forget about your keywords that we learned about. First, next, then, last, and finally, how. Okay, the high fives to retelling. So we're going to read a story, and I want you to use this strategy. Name the people, where the story took place, the beginning, middle, and end, and using your keywords to tell Miss Hall what happened. That should be fun. You should have lots of fun. See you soon.